The Election Commission is likely to conduct assembly elections in West Bengal, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Pondicherry in April, with the full schedule expected by mid-March. The 5-year terms of these assemblies are ending soon. West Bengal's term ends on May 7th, Tamil Nadu on May 10th, Assam on May 20th, Kerala on May 23rd and Pondicherry on June 15th. As per rules, elections must be held before these dates. The Election Commission has begun reviewing preparations and is currently in Assam to assess security arrangements, voter lists and other poll-related work. In previous elections, West Bengal voted in 8 phases, Assam in 2 phases, while Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Pondicherry had single-phase polling. Voter list updates are also underway. Pondicherry released its final electoral roll on February 14th. Kerala will publish its final list on February 21st, West Bengal on February 20th, and Tamil Nadu is expected to release its list soon. With preparations is full swing, political activity is set to intensify in the coming weeks.